What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Nvidia Corporation with the ticker symbol NVDA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So I try to look at Nvidia every Tuesday, and since last week Tuesday, price was trading right around the 139 level. It looks like it's bouncing off this bullish trend line, traveled higher, could not reach the top side of this orange range, which shows a bearish imbalance. We're seeing strong selling develop in the market, so it could lead to a break of this trend line, which already looks like is occurring for more downside potential. So this would be the target in play. One leg down, second leg down, targeting the 126. If we double the range, that would be another target, the 118. So 126 and 118 are the two targets to the downside if we break the support at 132. Currently, it is support, but with this in play, this could break it, and we can see those targets being reached. This looks like a mature uptrend. It's been going on for a long time now, so a significant or a decent-sized correction is due, especially because we're very close to that measure move target. So all this is one large leg right over here. Let me show you guys right now. That's one large leg. Let me use the arrow tool. That's one large leg up from 2018 to about 2021. Second leg up. We met this target. It was at the 116. We saw choppiness followed by continuation higher, but price is struggling to push up higher. In a trend, you want to see clear higher highs and higher lows. So when price makes a new high, you want to see it surpass the prior one by a decent amount, something like this. You don't want to see price make a new high and barely, push up. You don't want to see this, right? It's not showing any signs of strength that can roll over to the downside. Kind of like what we're getting right now. Before price was able to push through the prior high a large amount. Same thing over here. Same thing over here. And now look what happened. It's a change in market dynamics. Price is struggling to push up higher, and we could see more sideways trading or potentially more downward price action develop. So overall, it's looking kind of weak for Nvidia. We'll see if this trend picks up towards the downside. As of right now, the bears are in control in the very short term. This is still a very macro uptrend, so it'll be very hard to turn around the entire, market into a long-term downtrend. I don't think that's what the chart is telling me. I think we're just going to see a more pronounced pullback coming very shortly if we can't if we can't maintain these support levels. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that price is near the top of this impulse, and the target was 190. But again, if the bulls aren't as strong as they are, as they seem, then we could see a decent sized drop, potentially coming back to the 193, maybe even lower. So overall, this has been going sideways for early to mid October. Now the price action, it's looking like it's ready to possibly break down lower. And I'll give you guys an update next week, Tuesday, most likely. So that's all I have from video on the daily weekly charts. Let's see how this bearish momentum develops. This is the price action you need to focus on. You can see there is clear support at the 132, but there is a bearish imbalance in play. Measure move target to the downside, and price being below this trend line. If price cannot reach this target to the downside, that's a very good sign for the bulls. We could probably potentially see a strong rally develop out of there. But if it does reach it, it's not the end of the world. Price can still reverse higher, but again, this is looking like price wants to go down lower, at least in the short term, and potentially even longer than that. So all I have for Nvidia on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.